In any profession, principles are often seen as the code of ethics that reflect moral values. It is important to display moral conduct in a professional environment in a way that enhances work culture, ethics, and business growth. Project management recommends 12 principles for industry practitioners that serve as guidelines for the development of strategy, decision-making, and problem-solving. The 12 principles are stewardship, team, stakeholders, value, systems thinking, leadership, tailoring, quality, complexity, risk, adaptability and resiliency, and change. In the context of project management, value refers to the worth or benefit that a project is expected to deliver to its stakeholders. Project management identifies 4 significant values. The 4 values are respect, responsibility, fairness, and honesty. Most organizations adopt principles as part of their work culture. This way, they ensure that their vision, mission, goals, objectives, strategies, and decisions revolve around these principles, and thereby the services and solutions they provide to customers generate value. Values and principles are interconnected, and each principle can be related to one or more values. The interconnection between the 4 core values and the 12 principles of project management lies in developing a dynamic and adaptive project environment. By prioritizing values in delivery, teams ensure that the project solutions meet evolving needs. The values and principles collectively promote flexibility, responsiveness, and a customer-centric mindset, laying the foundation for successful project management that delivers high-quality results despite the uncertainties and evolving project dynamics. Imagine your organization decides to develop and launch an innovative solution to automate retail stores. The automation project involves achieving significant milestones such as engaging multiple teams, including automation design, software development, inventory system management, supplier and vendor management, store management and operations, regulatory authorization, financial services, security management, and customer management. The success of the project depends on effective project management principles. Let's discuss how the principles can be adapted to this unique project environment and how they reflect in value creation. During the initial stages of the project, it is essential to know the product and project boundaries, which helps the project manager and the team to align with the project objectives and to design suitable strategies for implementing automation. Otherwise, with multiple teams involved, the entire project work would be a chaos. Principles such as stewardship, systems thinking, quality, value, team, and stakeholders help to achieve the strategic design, development approach, delivery methods, and problem-solving capabilities for the project and the product. Different stakeholders are involved throughout the project lifecycle at different stages of the project. The final product is developed from the combined efforts of multiple stakeholders from multiple teams who may not have visibility of each other. Such environments are highly vulnerable to procrastination, conflicts, and misalignment of project work. Principles such as leadership, stakeholders, and team help the project manager to document the stakeholder needs, interests, and influence in the project. The project manager determines and plans the communication methods, frequency, and the mode of communication for different stakeholders. A risk assessment on the product and project scope is performed across the project lifecycle. The project manager and the team need to ensure the new solution meets the regulatory compliance, comply with the security standards, and fulfill the technical capabilities, as risks can originate majorly from these areas. Principles such as complexity, change, risk, adaptability, and resilience help project managers to develop a detailed risk management plan to address risks and be prepared for problem solving. The principles that we discussed pertaining to this automation project correlate with values such as responsibility and fairness. The 12 principles of project management serve as invaluable guidelines for strategy, decision-making, and problem-solving throughout the project lifecycle. In this project environment, the values of respect, responsibility, honesty, and fairness are not only integral to principles but also essential for the project's success.